Hello friends, today we will go through basic walkthrough in Oracle. Oracle database, the document was prepared when there was a 11G release Express version of Oracle database. So we will stay with the same version and same database version and same operating system version to keep seamless integration with the document that is available. We will later on go through the differences in that old version and the new version, but basically our purpose right now is just to get in familiar with the databasing technology and how it works across different platforms. So today we are covering basic walkthrough Oracle part 1. So let us get started. So we have Oracle here, and in our Windows XP version, we will install Oracle Express Edition. So simple installation, 32-bit on Windows XP is done through executing setup exe. So let us get started. So we will start it now, and we will wait for installation, and once installation completes, then we will go through some practice on the database Oracle database Express Edition. So we'll wait for next. So fortunately in PDF for provided has stepwise has been, the document is has document steps has been numbered. So first one, click exe, click setup exe, and then second step will be just press next, because then it will be confirming the installation. Oracle Database Express Edition, that is the one we are going to install today. So see, this is the first step. Then I will guide you through the remaining steps required, right? So let it get started. Will be checking. So see, now here it comes to step number 2, and I'm referring to the PDF that is provided with this tutorial. So this is step 2. Step 3, license agreement. So we are accepting this license and then pressing next key, and from next number 4 we are just specifying database passwords. So that will be next. License agreement, click next. Now from here we have to click one more time. Now password. So this password that we are providing this time, remember when we install any software, then there is some kind of special user, super user, some people call it administrator user. So here in Oracle we have SYS, which is sys, and SYSTEM, system. Two users, both normally share one password. Whatever password you give to sys, that is used by system also. You cannot give separate ones, like one password for both of them. So I am going to enter the password now. This is 9 characters, and I hope this should be fine, because at the time that was very, enough complex one, right? So that's good. See, it accepted already, and after we enter the password, it accepted. Now on 6th step, summary. This is summary. It will be using port number, and HTTP listener is 8080, and like other thing, a port for Oracle services for Microsoft transaction server. So This is simply summary of the installation. So press install here, and I believe this one will take some time. So for the time being, I will just keep it on pause until this completes. Uh, Step 6 is now performing, and then it will continue step 7 across step 7, and at step 8 and after step 9 it completes. There's no intermediate in between. There's no interaction in between. So for the time being, let me pause the video to save some time in the video. Then I will be back with you soon. So friends, we are lucky. It took a little bit time, not too much installation. Hopefully that owes to having better workstation. Actually, database installation has completed already in less than half of the time anticipated. But so let us finish this installation now, and we will proceed with the other steps that are listed in the document PDF. So once we have completed, you might have noticed that we have the link on the desktop. It is created additionally, which points to 11G Express Edition database. So basically, I'm going to step number 10. It tells us that we have a link to OEM also, and try to click the link and see looks like how it looks like. So Oracle database. Let us double click on this one and getting started, which is a link actually for learning. Actually this is this is for OEM. So OEM services on, and you can see everything is very nice stuff, right? Okay, so this is OEM, but let us actually move along with the database and see the instruction on step 12 is to connect to just this one is to have a look at a program group, right? Oracle, see this one, all these things, command line, start database, stop database, get started, all the links here are available, right? So this is what tells us step 12. Step 13 is to start that start database. Oh well, do we have to start the database? Okay, well, start database. We will start the database anyways, right? Then yeah, maybe that is right. So from here we will go to start database. So database will start from here. I was assuming that it might happen. Oh well, it is done already. Start database is completed. So then we will run SQL CMD. Okay, so let us start SQL CMD. Run SQL command line. So here we go. Like this is SQL is already started, has already started, right? So I would like that's fine. Very good, very good. And let us proceed with other next steps, because most probably this is just one step, and SQL we are connected to SQL plus, or we can do this one from here too, like SQL PLUS SQL plus only, right? Yeah, the username SYS, or just as SYS, right? DBA, right? So we get connected, right? I mean, if you use a slash, it is considered as system user, well, the user ID that we are logged in, and so it will not ask for any password, right? But if you go like with the CSY SQL plus, enter, and if you give the user ad SYS as this DBA, then it will ask for the password. The password that we provided is here it goes like this, See, here it might have some problem because networking, when we use it with the slash, then it takes internal connection. It consumes TNS could not resolve the connect identifier, right? So when we give the user ID, then it goes through the network. But I will just skip it for now. We will not. Oh, actually, it should be connected, but probably we need to do some more work on TNS identifier. TNS identifier doesn't seem to have worked properly, right? So configuring it, it should have been it should have been completed, but I don't see any features available that we can see that we can fix our TNS identifier, right? So let us continue with the practice with this one with the slash only. So what we need to do today we are just mm, mm, you know not doing much, but let us select name from v dollar database, right? Semicolon and oh, not connected. Okay, this is not connected, so I would say connect XC. Oh no, actually, how do we connect? Select from database to connected to. Oh, this is not connected. Command line, when we start command line, connect slash as this DBA. So this should work, right? Connected now, and if we use the same select command, then it will give you the name of the database. Actually, with the Express Edition, XC database is created by default, so we can start practice on this one. So we can try to create one table. I do not see in our documentation, I do not see that these commands are given there anywhere to selectable commands, but I will add these commands to reflect, right? So let us prepare for those commands. Yes, and with the Crimson editor I will type these commands and we will try to use those commands here, right? So create table, let us not use these ones. I'm going to open a new one, so I will see create table person PERSN, and I would say ID as ID small integer MALINT, not null, comma F name varchar 20, comma L name varchar 20. So simple, very simple definition, right? And I will type this command there in the SQL plus prompt. Copy. Will it allow me to paste? I hope. Oh no. Why? There's a problem. Why it's not allowing us? It should be. Okay, well, I can try this one. SQL plus as 6 dB है. So let us try here, paste. Yeah, okay. So there is a right parenthesis messed up, ID, and when we have, what is the problem then? Missing right parenthesis. Where right parenthesis is missed? Oh, over here. Something wrong in our editor. Oh, okay. Well, you know what? This might be an issue. Why? It should be comma, right? And then it should be fine. Okay. So we are creating table anyways, right? Table created. So table created, and now next is insert into table. We will insert some data into table. Table name is insert into person. Insert into person. Is it person? Table person. Yes. Values. Bracket start and 1 comma, I would say David David Brown, comma, BROWN, David Brown, and yeah, so one row created, and then another row for Nancy, NANCY, and last name Little. So Nancy Little, this she is having person ID 2, and then we can say select star from person, semicolon. Oh yeah, we have 2 rows in the database now. This table name is person. We will do some practice tomorrow in our next video. For this one, I think we have done enough work for now. Start database, and when we started database, then we log in as a super user, and then it works fine. So we will check what next steps are required. Thank you very much for your time today. Please share, like, and subscribe, and let us know what you need to see in future videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.